So, we're going to go out and light the grill. You know, we got to brave the elements out there.
Who has to go?
You don't have to go.
Okay, I'm not.
No,
To brave them, I will vote for you.
No.
I'll be clapping.
No, we were supposed to go out and check out the wild wonders of the snow.
There's a lot of wild wonders in this kitchen. Look around. You think that's
Wow,
go to the laundry room?
Wow, what?
No. Part.
All right.
That's beyond anything we've created so far.
What now?
We've had the best engineers from Dubai. So come on, try to figure it out.
Figure out what? What?
The mystery of that thing I was just talking about. That I forgot.
No, forget it. Okay. Anyway.
I did already.
What about?
Obviously, I forgot it.
Wait, hello. What about de-icing the vehicle? We have to de-ice the vehicle. Do you know anything about de-icing a vehicle?
Who's we?
No, I'm saying, yeah. We need to do that.
Why do you keep saying we?
Because you're supposed to be a partner to help.
Is that we?
That's a we thing. Yep.
Who is we?
Craig and Gerri.
I'm putting him right number 2 right behind
Craig.
America's Top 10. Cupid first, shoot to kills.
What? Now? Who's... No, seriously.
No, there's that Cupid and then there's a we. I don't like the way this book's going. It's pretty fucked up. It's pretty trapped me into that shit.
Wait a minute, people. Hold on. In case you didn't notice, I'm wearing my little handy dandy
Same outfit
light.
that she's had on for 6 years. Never
We
watched
have to... He had one on earlier. We have to go out and brave the snowstorm.
There's no we.
And I am going to go light the grill. And we are going to go out and...
There's no Cupid. There's no we.
Have
End it all. You're
this
good.
amazing moment in time.
You are?
No, we are.
Yeah, got it. I already took my shoes off.
It's we. Better put your shoes back on. Look, he just dressed up just for the video, people. I have not dressed up for the video. Okay, it's just
I
about.
did it for me.
Okay, good.
I wanted to act like I was going out there.
Come on.
Just see if I could kiss you on the neck and the ear and then persuade you to say, oh, I'm not that hungry. I'll just have cheesecake. Just cheesecake. Raspberries, blueberries.
We will be right back,
folks. Right now. Otherwise.